Hi dear viewers, I'm Ogwe. Today I'm going to talk to you about some of the finest examples of the universe. If you're ready, let's start our list of the finest of the universe. First, we start with Jupiter, the largest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and attracts attention with its enormous dimensions. The smallest planet is Mercury. This small planet, the closest to the Sun, also has a fairly fast orbit. The brightest star is Sirius, which you can easily see in the night sky. Sirius is about 25 times brighter than the Sun. Let's get to the biggest star. Scuti is the largest known star and is thousands of times bigger than the Sun. As for the oldest star in the universe, this title belongs to HD 14283, the Methuselah star. It's about 14 billion years old. The largest galaxy is IC 1101. This giant galaxy is millions of light years wide. The nearest galaxy is the Andromeda galaxy. This galaxy is only 2.5 million light years away from us. The most distant galaxy is known as GNZ11 and is approximately 13.4 billion light years away. The brightest quasar in the universe is 3C273. This quasar is a very powerful source of energy. The largest black hole is Tian 618. This black hole is 66 billion times the mass of the Sun. The smallest black hole is known as the XTE J1165 500. Its mass is just a few solar masses. The largest asteroid is Ceres. This dwarf planet is located in the asteroid cluster and is quite large. The brightest supernova is SN 1006. This supernova was observed from Earth in 1006 and illuminated the night as daylight. The largest surviving supernova is Cassiopeia A. This remainder was formed after a giant star explosion. Ganymede is the largest moon of Jupiter and the largest natural moon in the solar system. The brightest planet is Venus. Venus is the brightest object in the night sky after the moon. Venus also holds the title of the hottest planet. The surface temperature can go up to 460 degrees Celsius. The coldest planet is Uranus. Uranus's atmospheric temperature can fall to 224 degrees Celsius. The fastest rotating planet is again Jupiter. Jupiter rotates around its own axis in just 10 hours. The longest day is on Venus. A day on Venus is longer than a year. The highest mountain is Olympus Mons on Mars. This volcanic mountain is the highest point in the solar system at an altitude of 22 kilometers. The deepest ocean is the underwater ocean of Enceladus. This ocean lies under the ice shell. The largest artificial satellite is the International Space Station, ISS. The ISS is a giant laboratory that revolves around the Earth. The object with the strongest magnetic field is the magnetar. Dinosaurs have incredibly strong magnetic fields. The farthest spacecraft is Voyager 1. Voyager 1 has gone outside the solar system and reached interstellar space. The largest rings belong to Saturn. Saturn's rings are unique in size and beauty. The planet with the most moons is Jupiter. Jupiter has a total of 79 moons. The fastest spacecraft is the Parker Solar Probe. This vehicle travels at the closest point to the Sun at a speed of 700,000 kilometers per hour. The largest number of human missions has been performed on the Moon. Thanks to the Apollo missions, many astronauts set foot on the Moon. The planet with the most spacecraft sent is Mars. Mars is full of exploration tools and is constantly studied by scientists. The largest mass star is R136A1. This star has 265 times the mass of the Sun. The fastest rotating neutron star is PSR J1774824446 AD. This star rotates 716 times per second. The smallest galaxy is Segway 2. This galaxy consists of only a few hundred stars. The oldest star cluster is M4. This cluster is approximately 12.5 billion years old. The largest star cluster is Omega Centauri. There are millions of stars in this cluster. The brightest extraterrestrial object is TARES 4b. This exoplanet is very bright and large. The coldest place is the Boomerang Nebula. The temperature of this nebula drops to 272 degrees Celsius. The hottest star is WR102. The surface temperature of this star is 210,000 degrees Celsius. The largest black hole in the galaxy is IC 1101. This black hole is billions of times the mass of the Sun. The largest extraterrestrial mountain is Rhea Silvia on the asteroid Vesta. This mountain is about 22 kilometers high. The most distant galaxy cluster is CL J1001 plus 0220. This cluster is about 11.1 billion light-years away from us. The largest planetary system is the HR 8799 system. There are 4 major gas giant planets in this system. The largest meteorite is the Hoba meteorite. This iron meteorite weighs about 60 tons. The oldest rock is the Murchison meteorite. This meteorite is about 7 billion years old. The most powerful cosmic ray explosion is GRB 080319b. This gamma ray explosion is one of the most energetic events in the universe. The largest star storm is observed in VY Canis Majoris. This star is famous for its giant gas storms. The largest supernova explosion was SN 2006 GY. This supernova exploded with incredible energy. The fastest rotating dwarf planet is Haumea. Haumea rotates around its own axis in only 4 hours. The planet with the highest density is Earth. Our Earth is a very dense planet due to its internal structure and composition. The largest telescope is the FAST telescope in China. This radio telescope is 500 meters in diameter. The fastest star birth occurs in the Tarantula Nebula. This nebula is a dense star birth region. The largest dust cloud is the Helix Nebula. This nebula has a dense cloud of dust and gas. The largest gas cloud is the Orion Nebula. This nebula is a huge gas cloud and hosts the birth of new stars. The largest asteroid tribe is the Kuiper tribe. This generation consists of millions of small objects that are beyond Neptune's orbit. The brightest nova, Nova Aquilae 1918. This nova was observed in 1918 and was quite bright. The largest mass galaxy is IC 1101. This galaxy is remarkable for its enormous size and mass. The star with the largest number of planetary systems is TRAPPIST-1. There are 7 planets around this star. The fastest moving galaxy is GN-Z11. This galaxy is moving away from us at a very high rate as the universe expands. The largest star explosion is the explosion of Eta Carinae. This giant star experienced a massive eruption in the 19th century. The longest lasting gamma ray explosion is GRB 130427a. This explosion lasted for about 20 hours. The largest density of dark matter is found in the Abell 520 cluster of galaxies. This cluster contains a large amount of dark matter. The planet with the strongest magnetic field is Jupiter. Jupiter's magnetic field is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. The largest interstellar gas cloud is the Smith cloud. This cloud is the size of millions of solar masses. The largest interstellar molecular cloud is Sagittarius B2. This cloud contains a lot of molecular gas. The largest supernova remains is the Vela supernova remains. This remnant was formed after a massive supernova explosion. The most dense star cluster is R136. This cluster has a very dense star density. The largest dark matter halo is found in the cluster of galaxies KEL 0024+17e. This cluster contains a large amount of dark matter. The oldest galaxy cluster is CL J1449+0856. This cluster is about 11 billion years old. The largest planetary system, in terms of number of planets, is HD 100180. There are 9 planets in this system. The fastest planet is Kepler 70b. This planet orbits very close to its star, completing its orbit in just 5 hours. The coldest star is WISE 08550714. The surface temperature of this star is only 48 degrees. The brightest star explosion is ASASSN 15LEH. This explosion had an incredible brightness and is a supernova-type explosion. The largest interstellar asteroid is 1I Oumuamua. This object is the first detected interstellar object from outside the solar system. The largest planetary system in mass is HR 8799. The planets in this system have very large masses. The most powerful cosmic microwave background radiation was measured by COBE, Cosmic Background Explorer. This radiation allows us to observe the state of the universe after the Big Bang. Yes, dear viewers, in this video, we've shared some of the finest examples of the universe with you. I hope you're interested in this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more content. See you in the next video. Goodbye.